In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting in Microsoft Teams. This beginner guide will walk you through each step so you can set up and host meetings with confidence, even if you've never used Microsoft Teams before. Whether you're working from home, coordinating with a remote team, or just want to know your way around this essential tool, this guide has got you covered. To begin, you'll need to go to the Microsoft Teams platform by accessing it through your web browser. Simply type in teams.live.com/v2us in the address bar and press enter. This is where you don't just organize your meetings, but also find all the resources needed to manage projects, keep up with your colleagues, and streamline communication across your entire organization. It's a one-stop solution for all your professional coordination needs. Once you're on the site, make sure you've signed in with your work or school credentials, or if you're using a personal account, ensure that it's properly set up and logged in. Next, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a sidebar with several tabs, and here you'll need to locate and click on the Meetings tab. This tab is where you'll control everything related to your meetings, from instant calls to future scheduling. This is your hub for virtual conferencing. At this point, you have a couple of options. If you're looking to quickly set up an impromptu meeting, you can choose to create a meeting link right then and there. This is particularly useful for quick catch-ups or spontaneous discussions with colleagues. Creating a meeting link is straightforward, and once it's generated, you can simply share it with anyone you want to invite to the meeting. However, if you need to be a little more organized and wish to schedule a meeting for a later time or date, you have that option as well. Scheduling can help ensure everyone involved has the time and resources they need to attend. To do this, select the Schedule a Meeting option. Here, you can specify the exact time and date of your meeting, invite specific people, and even add a detailed agenda or notes to inform your participants about the meeting's purpose and expected outcomes. Remember that preparation is key to a seamless and productive meeting. Make sure you have all your notes, documents, and presentation materials ready well in advance. This will allow you to focus on the meeting's content and keep your participants engaged without technical hitches or delays. In closing, Microsoft Teams makes hosting meetings not just efficient, but also incredibly convenient. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering virtual meetings in no time. Thanks for watching and happy hosting!